So Fuck Off got its starts like 2017. I was playing a show with Proper Operation, my old band, and Dixie just happened to be there in the crowd. She saw me up there and she said, you know what? I want to jam with that guy. She said, hey, you're going to be the singer in my band. Me, and I was like, I don't see why not. Originally, I was playing the guitar a little bit and singing, but needed a bass player, of course. Everyone needs a bass player. So I switched over to the bass and we got Devin in there. Later down the road, we got Brett involved with things. And here we are, Fuck Off, here in 2021, playing shows, having fun.
Typewriter TV. That's what we do, you know.
Typewriter TV.